This video is going to go over how to create a marketing list. What a marketing list is just a subset of points taken from a larger list. So I'm going to use this example of customer list, and it's represented by red dots, and I can toggle them on and off to show them on the map. If I only want to find the points within a particular area, I can use my search tools at the top, and if I click this little pull down list, my options are to query by a circle, a polygon, a freeform area, which is draw your own shape, or a drive time polygon. For this example, I'm going to click on circle, and I'm going to just click and draw my circle on the map. When I'm done and release the circle, a box pops up and it'll ask me what I'm looking to find within that circle. In this case, I'm looking to find the customers within that shape. So I click next and give it a name. Click create, and now I can see that I have 3 customers that fall within that circle. Now let's say I want to update it. I can click on the shape, and I can expand my circle out to a much bigger shape. And this time I can click my search button here, query that customer list again, and this time I can choose to update the list. I can choose test list, click edit, and now I can see that I have 19 in my list. I could then choose to export to a CSV if needed. If you have any questions, please let us know. Thanks and have a great day.